Hey, what's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can boost your sound in less than 60 seconds in Camtasia. And I mean actually this is 100% original sound maxed in Camtasia, and this is 100% processed sound in Camtasia. Confused? Don't worry, I explain everything. I show you exactly how you can do this too. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. So what we're going to do here actually, we're going to go from the original sound. A quick example is this is the original sound where I'm recording right now, which is not so bad, okay? And we're going from the original sound to the processed sound. So this is the processed sound, okay? So you can hear the difference here. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this in less than 60 seconds. First, we're going to the proof, and then I'm going to explain exactly what I did, how I did it, and how you can implement this too in your productions. Now, I did this in Camtasia, but you can use any software, example given ScreenFlow or whatever kind of software you're using. Of course, you must have separate audio channel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to prepare, and we have the timer, and let's get started. So we're going to export the audio, name it test. I'm firing up Audacity, opening the test. We're going for equalization. I have my presets. We're going for compression. And let's do a bit extra here, a limiter. Exporting the sound, test 2, and importing it, test 2, and we are done. Alright, so you see I was pretty slow and I did it in 50 seconds. Okay, so let's hear the difference here. I'm going to mute the channel that I imported, and hi guys, Atan here. This is the original sound, so let me mute it and unmute this. And I just wanted to leave a quick testimonial. Okay, you can definitely hear for Edwin and the difference here. So the next thing what I would do is I would just put the gain here to 0 and use this. It's called the CPA Profit Lab. Okay, so there is a big difference in the sound here, okay? And it took me less than 60 seconds. So let me go in detail what I did. I exported the audio only here and imported it into Audacity. This is a free program, works for both PC and Mac, so a fantastic program actually. And if I go backwards here, what I did exactly, you see this is the original sound, so you can see the waveform, it's pretty low here, okay? So I'm all about learning shortcuts and creating one. So you see the Q is for equalization. Instead of go here, all I do is I select all and hit the Q, so there comes the equalization. And I had my ready-made presets. I have everything for Yeti or whatever. These are already done, which saves me also a lot of time. And then I hit the lavalier. Next thing we go here is the compressor. And it does exactly what it says. It compresses the sound, will sound more equal, no ups and downs. And of course it's going to be much stronger in dynamic here. So when I hit OK here, you see what happens. It's definitely much better sound. And I went a bit extra, which is not necessary, but why not? So what I did here is I'm using a limiter and I'm boosting the sound even more. So when I hit OK, you see what happens, it gets even stronger here. Where they show you exact. So definitely a much better sound. And as I said in the beginning, you can do this in 60 seconds. So I know what you're saying now. Does it really matter? Do I have to do this? Well, if you ever wondered why some videos convert better than others, this might be one of the big reasons, okay? All you have to do is just type in Google the importance of the sound in a video production, and this is exactly what I did here. So I typed in Google the importance of the sound, and if you see what it says here, the importance of sound in video production is, well, pretty important. When put to good use, language, sound effects, music, and even silence can elevate your video dramatically. Sound is an element that is often ignored in a video production and is certainly just as important as good quality. The third result, but when the sound quality is bad, it is obvious. Not only it is distracting, but it cheapens the quality of what could have been a great promotional video. Let's have a look at the last one. Poor sound can ruin an otherwise spectacular production. Okay, so we have the proof here. Definitely don't need to go any further on how important the sound is. And I know what you're saying now. I'm busy, I want to focus on cranking out content, videos, and running my business. And yeah, I agree with you 100%. I also running a business and I'm also busy. But isn't it worth a minute of your time to get a professional sound quality that will have you better conversions in your sales, your promotions, or whatever kind of a production you're going to make? Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how to boost the sound in Camtasia and have a professional production in place. If you like this video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. But most importantly, if you want to learn more tips and tricks like this, all you have to do is subscribe to my newsletter. You'll find the link below in the description. And when you do that, you get a free checklist from me where you can have a full professional audio and video production in place. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.